What is up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. Today will be our final episode of our boat. What we're going to do is show you guys a small summary of everything and all the work that we did on our boat. Our journey with our boat started all a couple of months ago when we traded our SquareBody for our boat. So at that time she didn't have any engine, she didn't have any stern drive, her floor was bad. They replaced the fuel tank and they replaced the polyester part that covers the tank with a wooden part, so that went absolutely rotten. So we needed to change out the flooring, put new carpet on her to make her beautiful. We did this trade because we had a short block laying around. We still were missing some parts. We got a good deal from England for all our missing parts. We assembled the complete engine. We had an issue with our manifolds that were leaking water between the parts where the riser and the manifold met each other. That sorted in some big issues. We upgraded this baby with through hole exhaust. We needed some special welding to make it all work out. We got a heck of a deal on a stern drive that needs to be rebuilt. She had some leaky seals, so that's something that we took care of. We took care of that horrible flooring and also made a complete deck from scratch. So after we finished everything, we thought we were there, and unfortunately our engine that we built decided to spin a bearing.
mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to. All these green lights, are they coming too soon? Caught between red and the green and you. I'm stuck in the blue.
So that resulted that we needed to find ourselves another engine. Okay guys, so we are managed by all luck to get ourselves a long block for a 5.7 Mercruiser. Luckily we could still use our intake and other parts as well, like the exhaust, the carburetor, and what we did is change out the timing chain just to be sure. All that's left to do is throw on the rest of the accessories, throw her in the boat, and hopefully we got a lot more luck than with the old engine. Then our new engine also decided to go to again due to some cracked heads.
Is it too good to be true? I want this so much, but don't know if I can trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to. All these green lights, are they coming too soon?
I think we have some sort of a curse on our boat, or maybe it's ourselves that's cursed, but we are some very unlucky people with this boat. I'm laughing, but I'm actually wanting to cry very hard because we were driving the boat and noticed that it wasn't running fine, and we noticed that our head is completely cracked here and there was water intrusion coming into the engine. So we then decided to take our old heads from our first built engine, do a complete head rebuild, sand all the valves, put some new valve stamps in them as well. So we are absolutely sure that those heads can go on for hours. As you can see, we got a nice marking. Also, the inside of the head looks perfect. Do you also sometimes want to punch yourself in the face? I wanted to install the ignition box, and there's a small bolt that goes here. And guess what? It dropped inside the motor. Yay, found it! So luckily, after a couple of rebuilds, the technical side of our boat was absolutely good. Unfortunately, she had some cosmetic imperfections, so that's something that we needed to take care of as well. Then after all the hard work was done, it's finally time to enjoy our boat on holiday. Okay, guys, so we picked up a brand new trailer that we rented for 1 week. So everything looks good and hopefully everything goes well on our way to Italy. So after spending a lot of time working on our boat, we also got time to enjoy the boat. We took her out on holiday, which was absolutely perfect. And now it's time to get her winterized in Holland. Well, it actually should be summer. We only got a lot of rain. So this will be the end of this series of our boat. To everyone out there, huge shout out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the kind support, also in the tough times. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. And also make sure that those post notifications are on as well, because we got plenty of other things to rebuild. Hopefully, see you guys soon.
Catch me howling now.